You're making cooking? What you cooking? What are you cooking?
Tea.
You're cooking tea? And what else?
Rice.
You're cooking rice?
Toi tu fais bisous. Fais-moi bisous.
Give Papi bisou. Give Papi bisou, Tyler. Give him big kiss. You give him kiss, Ty.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Tell us the morning faves.
Blaze.
Yeah, you're watching Blaze. Say good morning faves. Watching Blaze, babe.
Hi guys. A little problem with the car to change something, so I'm looking somewhere to buy what I have to change.
Yeah, he went to the garage this morning.
Hope you're all having a wonderful weekend.
Babe had to go to the garage this morning to get the... How often we have to do that, babe?
Every 2 years.
Every 2 years you have to do the car check to see what needs to change and what needs to blah blah blah. It's a French rule thing that you have to do. So he went and did that this morning. It's raining here all morning. It's been raining. So I think today we're just gonna stay inside basically because it's just been raining non-stop in. But anyway, let's see what the day holds because never say never. We might say we're gonna stay inside and then end up outside. But this little nugget is here watching TV and I just got all fresh. Papi should be coming by to see his little grandbaby. Tyler doesn't know yet, so we didn't tell him that he's coming by. So he will be surprised when he sees him in a few. So yeah, we should have the father-in-law over for a bit. So hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Enjoy your weekend, whatever it is that you're doing this weekend. Enjoy your weekend, even though by the time you guys watching this it would have been Tuesday. So happy Tuesday. And if you're at work watching this, make sure your boss don't catch you, but make sure you finish watching the vlog before you close it. And if you're at school, if you're at work, he's funny. He's funny. Tell us.
Funny.
Blaze is funny.
Gisha funny.
Oh, Gisha funny. Who is Gisha?
Gisha funny.
Oh, that's the name of the character. Whatever he's saying is funny. This kid is just growing up so fast. Anyway, you guys, have an amazing day. Stay positive, stay best, stay motivated, and let nobody steal your joy. You guys, I'm in the kitchen trying to make some lunch for Babe and I. And since Babe like his food always hot, he doesn't really like cold salad like I do. So I'm trying to figure out what to make him. I'm just creating as I go along right now. Guys, that's lunch for Babe. Lunch is ready, honey. And now I need to make a salad for myself, of course. Which Babe laughing at me because he doesn't want. What you laughing for? He doesn't want my salad? You don't want my salad?
No.
Why?
Hot. If it's a hot salad, I will take it.
For me, this is going to be lunch. This is as simple and as plain as it's going to get. That's what I feel for. I don't feel to put anything else in it. So I am having tuna and lettuce. And that's lunch. I'm just going to throw this into a plate and grub. Okay? There's just some pepper on my tuna and my lettuce. And I'm off to my rabbit ways.
Give Papi bisou. Give Papi bisou, Tyler. Give him big kiss. You give him kiss, Ty. Give Papi kiss. Give him kiss here on his cheek. You give him kiss.
Attendez, un appartement dehors parce que de toute façon, même en s'éloignant, on n'aura pas une maison non plus ensemble.
Pack up your puzzle. Pack up your puzzles.
You have a key, babe? Okay. Over. Bye.
Damn, the onion is in my eyes. You guys, it's my favorite time of the day. It's cooking time in the Delaveau household. We're making, what we're making, babe? What's this?
This is liver,
Yeah.
chicken liver.
Yes. And what's that?
Saltfish,
Yes, and what we're using the saltfish today.
fritters.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys, we're making, the onion is killing me. We're making saltfish fritters and liver for dinner. So that's the seasoning for the saltfish fritters. Onion, sweet pepper, hot pepper, assorted sweet peppers, and all that good stuff. Thank you, baby. Good job. Out of the kitchen now. Thank you. Bye. You guys, he never stop until he reach on my side. What is Mama cooking, Tyler? Mama making fritters and what? No, not chicken, liver. Yes, he said, Mama, and you're cooking rice? Mama not cooking any rice. You love fruit and ketchup. Yes, because I just put ketchup on the liver. What else Mama cooking? Wash your hands, yes, and what else? Yeah, you wash your hand over there. Because he's sitting washing dishes. What's wrong?
Bird.
What?
Bird.
Bird, where you see bird? Outside? You can't even see outside. There's no bird outside. He's something else. Say hi, Fibs.
Okay.
How are y'all doing? What you're doing today? You're making cooking. You're making cooking? What you cooking? What are you cooking?
Tea.
You're cooking tea? And what else?
What?
You're cooking what?
What that?
What's that? That's liver over there, Mama
Liver.
cooking.
ketchup,
Yes.
and tea.
And tea, Mama not
And
juice.
juice.
No. And juice. And what else Mama making?
Mama, the cookie. Mama,
Yes.
I'm making a cookie.
Mama making a cooking.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, he's showing you guys the stove. Alright, get out so Mama can finish cooking. Wait, oh Lord. He doesn't want to get down. Tell her, get down so Mama can finish cook as the food is going to burn out. Alright, go. Mama soon take you back up. Look at him. Mama soon take you back up.
Back up.
You back up. He's telling you to back up. You back up. You back up out of the kitchen. Come.
Back up.
You back up.
Back up.
You back up right here. Telling me about to back up. So funny.
Attends, tout à l'heure. Allez, allez, on bouge pas. Allez, 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 allez.
Bravo, bébé.
Allez, allez, allez. Allez, tu bouges pas, tu bouges pas. Allez, 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 allez. That's cute, Tyler.
Yay! You scored.
Oh. 3 qui, 5 qui. Papa, il va mettre le qui pour tout à l'heure. Regarde, papa, il va te montrer. D'accord? Allez, attends. Reste là, attends. Attends. Tala, attends, reste avec papa. Allez. Allez, debout, toi. Tala, debout. Tala, toi, tu es debout? Non, debout. Allez, ici. Et tu bouges pas. Allez, lance. Lance. Oh. Allez.
Yay! Yay! One still standing. Yeah, baby, uncle, do it. Yeah, he's so hilarious. Oh my gosh, he's so funny. Alright, you guys. Fritters is all on its way. I'm gonna put some flour into this right now. And we're good to go, shawty. Babe and Tyler playing bowling.
Good job! Allez, va chercher. Allez, viens ici. Good job!
Bravo!
Elle va chercher le ballon. Elle va chercher le ballon. Elle va chercher. Là. Allez, viens. Ici. Allez.
Ouais! Bravo!
Allez, encore. Allez.
Yay!
Attends, reste là. Allez, viens ici. Allez. Ah, elle va chercher. Ici.
He's going closer and closer. Tyler, you're a cheat. Tyler, you're a cheat.
Ah, allez, va chercher.
You're a little cheat.
Allez, encore. Dinner is ready. So this is the liver, and this is some fritters.
And Tyler, they're already grubbing.
Ha! It's gonna be yummy. So this is the same things, and Tyler already eating his fritters. C'est bon? Ah, fritters and ketchup. Tyler eat everything with the ketchup. Bon app.
Ketchup, that's sauce.
Oh, sauce from the liver? Okay. Bon appétit!
Bon appétit, papa, he says.